First of all, a very good evening to all the little wonders I have encountered here. I feel truly blessed that I am here today. This is such a wonderful experience for me. So, honorable guests and Principal Madam and all the Dream India family here and all the respected guardians. So I am just feeling so blessed to be all of you today here. So I think this evening is not for some tough words or some high speech, but I would like to take this as an opportunity that this collaboration, this parents and school, this is really a high need for our society today. School can't achieve everything on its own as institution, but yes, if parents or the seniors, local people are with school, then school can really change the future. And school is the place where we are nurturing the future of our successors who will be the society tomorrow. So being into so many negative things around, this is a challenging time for all the youth and the young generations to identify and lead towards the correct and positivity. So let's be together, and not only today evening but always keeping schools and parents in loop is the aim of the education system in India these days. And personally, I'm being into CBSE setup for few years now, and whatever I could learn from the officers there, that it is very much required that parents are always trying to get the information about their child, their progress, and there comes our role. So already I know that being parents, we are already busy with so much other works, but yes, my word, my child's progress or growth, or if he or she is behind in something, that also I should know. So being into that scope, please be with the school and always stay in touch. That is very much required. And today there are so many things happening, and the century we are into is a century of globalization and technical revolution. So we have to upgrade our system in that way. So schools are taking lots of initiatives, whatever I come to know with my terms with Principal Madam, that the school is trying its hard to really bring out and implement those latest teaching modules where you have to also cooperate, or if needed, please also come forward and know that what is this actually going to do for your child. So today's evening is a starting point for that, what I feel, that from today onwards, let's take this as a family, that Dream India School or the management or the staffs are not only the sole owner, everyone. And today it is very nice to see that so many people have gathered here, not only for their child, but also the person who owns the land, he also have come forwarded. So this is how the Panchayat Pradhan and everyone. So this is our responsibility, because we are shaping the future of India. So thank you so much. I will not talk in length today, but I look forward to this school to really shine and really lots of good pupils, good human beings they will grow as. Thank you so much.
A lots of thank you to ma'am. Again, I request you to wait for a while to honor our students by presenting the prize for academic excellence for their outstanding dedication, hard work and sincerity toward studies from nursery to class 10. In academic session, from class nursery